Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can work with CRM messaging in HubSpot for managing your messaging flows. We'll just give you examples of sending messages using custom properties. So, on this particular contact, we have created a custom property named as car model. So, this property is a custom property that we have created. This is a custom property. We'll use this property that we created in our messages. So once you've installed the extension, you have to install it by going to CRM messaging, go to integrations, go to HubSpot connection, and make sure you have connected your app with CRM messaging. Once connected, you'll see the send message option. Open it, and at the bottom, click on send message. Now let's suppose you want to draft a message with the properties included in that. So you can draft it over here. I'll show you. So for example, I'll just write hello, the name of the person, click on here. To fetch the names and of the fields from the contact, you have to connect your HubSpot again over here. Click on reconnect HubSpot. It will land you to this page. Click on import from HubSpot and connect it once with your server account. I just connect it. Once connected, you you should be landing on this page. Again, you can just go back to HubSpot and you can just refresh it, close it, and click again send message. And then let me just write the message. Hello. So first, now if you click on this, you'll see the all fields page. It includes all the standard and custom properties. New, demo, team, car, and then I include custom property model. And this message is sent. You can see the name is replaced and also the car model is also the value is there in your message. So this way you can send your message to your customer and they just deliver it. Now this is one-to-one. Let me give you example of automated messages. From automation, you have to again go to workflows. Now in your workflow, you can trigger this message using send SMS action. So this is your action. Open it. To field you just put and message body. Here you can include your message placeholders. Hello. And then here you can choose enroll contact properties like name, running this festival on. And then you can choose uh, model. That way, it will send messages with the standard and custom properties automatically. Here, you can include additional properties like if you're owning multiple numbers, put the number. If you're owning multiple channels, put channel. If you're not doing it, just keep them empty, not a problem. This way, you can just save it and keep on shooting it. Hope this is clear. Now, let's suppose you want to shoot a bulk message at once. So what you can do is you can just save it. For bulk message, you can just create a segment like this and then an action and just run it. And all the member who are member of this group will get this message. That way you can send bulk messages too. If you want to send in a campaign way, we have other way too. You can come over here and click on audience manager, manage groups. You'll find the groups that you create over here. For example, if I create a group, demo, then add a filter model equal to known. Of all the people in this group, They will, if I want to send a message to them from this portal, uh, so this can, here you can send in a campaign format all the messages at one place. You can export a report also, the analytics about it. So you can go to audience manager, go to manage groups. You can see the group name over here. Just please refresh once and search the group car demo. So you see car demo and it has one contact. Click on sync contact once and then it is syncing. Refresh. We have one contact sync. Perfect. Click on the group. You can verify the audience. The audience is correct. You can go to campaign and you compose your campaign. Select sender, select recipient, and select your template or compose your message and schedule the campaign. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions about this integrations, do let me know. Have a good day.